Hello, my name is Dr. Glover. I am your virtual expert on physiology and anatomy. Let's explore and learn about your body. Choose a physiological system and let's get started. We are now inside an alveolus. One of the million tiny sacs in your lungs that stretches bigger when you breathe in and shrinks back when you breathe out. Just like a balloon. Here we are, inside a blood vessel. You can see that although blood is a fluid, it is also made up of lots of cells, each one with a specific role. Here we can see the two main cells. The red disc-shaped ones are called red blood cells. They deliver oxygen. The white cells are, surprise, surprise, called white blood cells. These are the security guards of the body and seek out and destroy infectious disease and foreign invaders. The fluid that carries all these cells is known as plasma. The plasma delivers nutrients, but also carries away the waste, such as carbon dioxide produced by the work of your tissues and organs. Here we are in your small intestine. This is where the majority of your food is broken down and absorbed into your blood. Those wavy, tentacle-like things you can see, they're called villi, and are really important because they create a huge surface area along the wall of the small intestine. This means there is lots more surface for food to be absorbed and passed into the blood vessels, which are branched like a web into the villi and walls of the intestine.